Hi guys, welcome to the channel Achieving Online Freedom. In this video today, I'm going to show you how to fix contacts not showing up on WhatsApp. There's a couple different methods you can try, so let's go ahead and get started. So the first thing you can do is you go to WhatsApp, and if you go to chats or calls, you'll then not be able to see some contacts you want to see. So what you want to do is go to settings, scroll down to general, and click on iPhone storage. Once this is done loading, you then want to find the WhatsApp app. Might take a second though. You can then click the top right icon right here and search for it. Once you have found it, you then want to offload the app. All this will do is free up storage used by the app, but keep its documents and data safe, so you don't have to worry about any of your chats or calls disappearing. Once you're done offloading the app, you then want to reinstall the app. All this kind of does is kind of make the app run a little bit smoother. So you can open back up and see if it's working. Another thing you can do is search if WhatsApp is having problems. So is WhatsApp down? So if I click this on down detector, it will then say there's no current problems on WhatsApp. However, there might be for you, and maybe that's why your contact name is not showing up. Finally, the last thing you can do is just turn your phone off and turn it back on and see whether or not it fixes this problem with the contacts. But I hope this video does help. If it did, please make sure to like and subscribe to my channel. I'm trying to 1,000 subs by the end of the year, and I could not do it without your help. Just want to say thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next video.